Genesis World 1.0 is showcasing just how quickly the boundary between simulation and reality is disappearing. The video begins inside the company's Paris office, where everything appears fairly ordinary at first. That changes almost immediately when the platform reveals its digital mapping capabilities. A standard kitchen or desk area is converted into a highly detailed 3D point cloud representation, exposing the data-rich view that the system uses to understand the world around it. It's a striking demonstration of how machines can perceive physical spaces. One of the most impressive highlights is the platform's simulation parity. A robotic arm is shown stacking colorful wooden rings, with the simulated environment displayed alongside the real-world task. The two versions match with incredible accuracy. This means robots can learn skills in a virtual environment and transfer those abilities directly into the physical world, solving one of the biggest challenges in robotics development. The technology goes far beyond handling simple objects. The video demonstrates advanced physics simulations, including a spinning yo-yo system driven entirely by contact physics, featuring both rigid and elastic components. From there, the focus shifts to complex manipulation tasks that have traditionally been difficult for robots. The system successfully handles a crumpled plastic bag, folds sheets of paper, and even folds a t-shirt with impressive precision. Another standout moment shows a robotic arm stirring noodles and vegetables in a pan, highlighting its ability to work with soft, flexible, and unpredictable materials. What makes Genesis even more powerful is that it simulates much more than what a robot can see. The platform models force, touch, depth sensing, LiDAR, and even temperature. As a humanoid robot moves, balances, and tumbles, the system tracks joint temperatures, movement data, and tactile feedback in real time. This creates a much more complete picture of how robots interact with their environment. The video also highlights a major advantage of the platform: speed. Genesis can accelerate model evaluation by up to 100 times. Through domain randomization, researchers can instantly test robots across countless variations of environments, lighting conditions, textures, and object arrangements. Whether the robot is handling a piece of toast or sorting different objects, the system can generate an enormous variety of scenarios while maintaining full control and reproducibility. Genesis World 1.0 represents a significant leap forward for robotics simulation and training. By creating virtual environments that closely mirror reality, it allows robots to learn faster, adapt more effectively, and perform more reliably in the real world. The progress on display here offers an exciting glimpse into the future of robotics and artificial intelligence.